Welcome to Skyrocket and Content Creation number 4. Each week we gather the best tips to help you rise in content creation. Let's go.
Number 1. Having a content plan can make your creative process stress-free and more efficient. Brainstorm ideas, research, plan your shooting days, and schedule your posts ahead of time. A well-planned content calendar will keep you consistent. Number 2. Create a strong, identifiable brand for your channel. This includes your logo, channel art, intros and outros, and even the way you sign off your videos. A consistent and recognizable brand can make you stand out and make your content instantly recognizable. Number 3. The digital landscape and audience preferences are always changing. To stay relevant, keep learning new skills, stay updated, and be open to feedback. Consider online courses, webinars, or even workshops to enhance your knowledge and skills. Number 4.
Deep dive into your analytics. Understanding metrics such as watch time, audience retention, traffic sources, and engagement can provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Use this data to adjust your content strategy and better cater to your audience's preferences.
Number 5.
As a content creator, it's important to value your work. Let's say you're offering sponsored content or product reviews. Don't undersell yourself. Understand the value you bring to the table.
Number 6.
Yeah, trends are cool, but what about evergreen content? Evergreen content is content that remains relevant and useful over time. These types of creations can continuously attract new viewers and provide value to your audience regardless when they discover it.
Number 7.
Surround yourself by things that inspire you and stimulate your creativity. This could be art, music, books, nature, or even other creators. Regularly taking time to disconnect and absorb these influences can help you generate fresh ideas and prevent creative burnout. That's it for this week. Please like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos just like this one.